Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We had been anticipating a large number of items would be filed by both sides prior to the February 24th, 2025 court-ordered deadline for the state of Idaho and the defense to file their respective motions in limine. And we were not disappointed. There have been an enormous amount of filings, some that have hit the docket, some that have not yet hit the docket. One of the items that are under seal has to do with a motion in limine regarding the 911 call that has been described to the public, never released to the public. It is discussed in the December 29th, 2022 Affidavit of Probable Cause, which is item number 1 on the public docket. The Affidavit of Probable Cause has also given rise to what you may have heard as being commonly referred to as the 8-hour gap. That refers to the fact that Moscow Police Department, in the Affidavit of Probable Cause, informed the public that these horrendous crimes at 1122 King Road occurred between 4 and 4:25 a.m. approximately. However, the first responding officer from the Moscow Police Department did not arrive until minutes before noon. This 911 call has never been released to the public. No portion of the 911 call has ever been released to the public. No transcript of the 911 call has ever been released to the public. No redacted form of the 911 call has ever been released to the public. Contrast this to multiple other high-profile criminal cases and criminal cases in general, where the 911 call, some form of it, a redacted format of it, a transcript, something is released to the public in a timely manner. Here, this is not the case. And now we see that there is a motion in limine regarding keeping apparently this 911 call out of the case or some part of it. The public can only speculate about this because this is a document under seal. Going to give my opinion, as I always do, pursuant to the First Amendment. I do not understand the secrecy of this case. Why this 911 call, a portion of it, a redacted transcript, or the transcript itself, has never been released to the public, and what is it now that is about this 911 call that is the subject of a motion in limine to keep information apparently out of the jury trial, because that's what a motion in limine does. One thing is for certain, ladies and gentlemen, with respect to the other large number of documents that have been filed from both sides relative to these motions in limine, the upcoming hearing on April 9th, 2025, and possibly going into the 10th of 2025 that have been set aside by Judge Stephen J. Hippler are not to be missed. We are hosting a live event on the 9th to coincide with these hearings. I hope that you will join us that day, either live or on repeat. If you have any interest in this case, this is a monumentally important day because this is when the parties will be arguing their respective sides as proponents of their motions or opponents to the other side's motions, where we may get some indication live by Judge Hippler of where he may be leaning towards these important motions in limine. So please be sure to join us on the 9th of April for our live event. We will, of course, update you when these motions that were just filed hit the docket. Until then, if you have any questions, comments, feedback, please leave them here. All points of view are respected and welcome. Thank you.